When I was growing up, I was taught that getting a job was the only way to earn money to create a life, that I had to work for 40 years, save up for retirement, and then maybe I could start living my life. As I've gotten older and traveled around the world, I've realized that life is too short to slave away at a desk all day and fulfill someone else's dream. I want my life to have more meaning and purpose. I want to see more of the world, try new foods, and immerse myself in new cultures. I want to inspire others to take charge of their lives and find their own purpose and meaning in life. And I can't do any of that trapped by a job that only gives me 2 precious weeks of vacation a year. So I decided to make a change and create the life that I want. A life where I have the freedom to do what I want whenever I want. And that has been possible by fulfilling my dream of becoming a digital nomad with my wife. We are now living life on our own terms while traveling the world. We have worked remotely, taking our laptops throughout Africa, Europe, and all across the Americas. And if we can do it, so can you. Come join us for our 5 simple steps to becoming a digital nomad. For just $10, we will give you all the tools you need to get started with this lifestyle and become location independent. You will also get an exclusive preview of the Unlimited Travelers Club, which teaches you how to afford more travel by reducing trip expenses and earning remote income to create the life of travel you desire. Get your new year started by adding more travel to your life. Are you ready? Click on the button to join the workshop and take your first step towards becoming a digital nomad. We will see you there.